Okay, this is Nervous Nick. Some of you guys have been asking me about the A19 BIOS on the Dell Latitude d630. And let's see here. I found a more updated copy, more recent one. Let's see. I don't know if I have a copy of the A19. Some of you guys are asking me if I had an old copy, some of the older BIOS. Let me know on the comments. How do I do a screen? I can't remember the initials for the screen. Screen record. I wanted to screen record instead of holding the camera here to that screen. All right. So anyway, let's go. I'm going to take you over to Dell's site, and we're going to look for the BIOS. All right, here. Check out my, I'll go to Chrome. Go ahead and if you want to help out my site for free, watch the videos to the end, and don't skip the commercials they put in there. Turn off your blocker. That helps my, you gotta watch those commercials. Sit through a couple of them anyway. I don't think there's too many on there yet on my videos. But I'm starting another channel. I got one over on Patreon. I'll leave a link down below. And that's going to be, I'm going to start posting more over there. If you want to contribute over there, I think it's only like $2 just for the basic membership. And let's see here. Let's go to Dell. Support. Let's try that. Go ahead and hit that like and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's go. Here we go. I'm going to go down to the second one down here. Dell support. Right there. Click on that. Okay, identify your product. And there we're going to put Latitude. Hold on, I'm going to lose you here for a second. I got to drop down and hit the key. Capital L. Okay, Latitude. Let me try and zoom it in there. D630. Latitude d630, there it is on top, in the blue there. We're going to go ahead and hit that. Grab my mouse. Click on that one, click on that top one. Okay, and we're going to go to downloads, drivers and downloads. Click on that. Alright, now it's asking me what we're running. But enter the name, keyword. Alright, we're going to say BIOS over here. I'll put a big B, I-O-S. BIOS. Download type, what do we got there? Okay, there is the bottom. Download type, and go down to the bottom. And it says System BIOS. I'm going to click on that one. Make sure that one's clicked. Over here, I'm not running. I think I got Windows 10 in here. Windows 10. But it don't give you... So let's go with 64-bit Windows Vista. I think that's the latest one there. Let's see. We'll take that. And then the category, we'll go with BIOS. We'll take that. Let me click it out here. One selected, yeah. Click out here in the open. Alright. Okay, there it goes. They're jumping on the screen. It looks like it's going to give us an older one. There's an older one from A17. on the bottom there. For you guys that want the older one, if you're having trouble with the newer ones. And it's from January of 2010. Where's the other? There it goes. And let's take the top one. It says recommended. So we're going to click on that one. And download. But where's it going to go? Let's say download. It should show up on my, well, it'll be in the downloads. I wanted it to go to my desktop though. Okay, as soon as you get it downloaded, let's see here. I'm not gonna, I'm on a different computer right now. I'm not on my show in folder. There you go. Show it in the folder. There it is up on top. A19. Well, I thought we got A20 here. Well, let me go back. A19. Oh, it's the A19 there. It's still the A19 BIOS, but they updated it on June of 2020. I don't know what's going on here. I got it as bright as I can. All right. So now we went to the folder. Let's go back over here where it's downloaded. Click on the arrow there. We're going to say open. Show in the folder. I'll say that. Here's some downloads I have. It's up on top. You're going to click on that. And it's all self-explanatory from here on in. You're just going to follow the prompts. Say yes to this. Do you want to apply? Do you want this app to make changes to your device? You say yes. Okay? And follow it in. But I got a different computer here. I'm on an MSI gaming computer. I'm going to take you guys over there and show you. There it is, though. It's executable. EXE. Here, let me see my pen. So it's going to do everything for you. Just download it to the way I just did on your D630. I think the BIOS is the same for the D620 and what's the other one? D820? But I'm not for sure. Let me know on the screensaver, what was I asking you guys? Let me know in the comments how I do the screen catcher, where I just record off the screen instead of holding the camera here in front of the screen. All right, and check out my Patreon. I'll leave a link down below. I think that's it for today. See you in the next one.